I'm gonna try to rebuild the micro welder circuit using a single MOSFET, my push-pull driver circuit to drive the gate at 12 volt signal, and just the ferrite transformer I had before, and also the zener for the gate protection. The gate voltage should not go over positive 20 volts or minus 20 volts. That will short the MOSFET, and I'm gonna build it and test it, and if it works, here is the finished micro welder. This is last time I'm trying to fix this circuit. I'm gonna connect it to my wave generator and slowly decrease the frequency until we can get a sustainable arc, so we can weld with it. The signal goes into this 300 ohm resistor. This wire is the signal generator, and these two are the measurement probes. Here's my 12 volt supply. The negative goes here. Here is the signal generator. The ground goes to negative. The positive goes to this resistor at the input of the driver. Make sure no connection is shorted before connecting power to the main circuit. I'm gonna probe the input and the output of the driver so we can see what's going into the MOSFET. I haven't connected the positive yet. This is the oscilloscope. We have a 2 volt signal at the input of the driver at 120 kilohertz. It's slightly less than 2 volts. Now if I touch the positive, okay, nothing is smoking. Let me show you the oscilloscope. Here's when I connect the power to the circuit. We get that 12 volt green signal at the gate of the MOSFET. The green one is 5 volt per section. You see? And it turns on. Let's see if it can arc. It actually arcs very well. Let me turn off the light. Maybe we finally was successful at it. Yeah, we have arc. Wow. I can lower the frequency, but that might burn the circuit. I'm gonna lower the frequency to, let me secure this wire so it doesn't burn my circuit. It's at 20 kilohertz. I'm gonna bring it down to 80. 120 to 80 kilohertz. This will draw more current and puts more stress on the MOSFET, and it might burn, which I don't want. But it will produce a better arc if it doesn't burn. No burning. Okay. Okay, finally made the welder work, only using one MOSFET. It's getting warm. This was dangerously loose. It can come and touch one of these and burn the whole circuit down. This is positive 12 volt at 10 amps. Now that the circuit works, I need to generate a shielding gas. I'm thinking of using CO2, and also the turns on the transformer are very high ratio. I should use less turn on the secondary to get more current than voltage. The voltage is needed to build a sustainable arc, and the current is needed to be able to melt metal. More current, you can melt thicker metal, and more voltage, you can it is easier to create an arc that stays on. You see, on 12 volt you cannot create an arc mid-air. You see, on the primary I have like 5 turns of this thick wire, and on the secondary I have this, looks like 30 turns, which is too much. I need to convert the 12 volt only to 60 volts. So if I have 5 turns here, I need 25 on this side. And also I need to have cooling, a fan, a better cooling for the MOSFET. It gets very hot. I can use my laptop, heat pipe and fan. I'm going to show you. I can use this to cool the MOSFET. The heat pipe draws the heat from this copper pad into this heat sink. Also the fan turns by supplying 5 volts to this 2 wires, blue and gray. Until next time, bye.